Morning, Jermaine, and well done for getting logged on again to Google Classroom. First of all, to say well done for all the work you've been doing in the couple of weeks since we've been going, and thank you for your feedback on the quizzes, which I'm trying to make better so that it won't do things like demand units and then not let you put them in, that sort of thing. Obviously, we're learning as we're going along, so anything like that where you can see there's something that's not right, do let me know, and hopefully I'll be able to sort it out. So I think from my point of view, the quizzes and the tasks are working quite well, and you're doing a great job at filling those in and getting them turned in and sent in. I'm hoping that you're getting the feedback that I'm sending to you, and that it is useful. Please do let me know if you do need any extra, and I will see what I can do. So today I have set a task for you to do individually to start with. I would like you to make sure you are carefully writing down the answers, because I'm going to give you about 20 minutes to do the task, and then I'm going to ask you to put your answers into a quiz, and we'll see how we get on all together, to then see how we can collaborate a bit as a class on any of the questions that people are finding difficult. So that's task one. And then the thing which isn't working quite so well yet, because we haven't tried it, is trying to mimic that idea in the classroom where you're working together on a task. So I've got then another task which is set up to be working in pairs, or it could be more than pairs. And those of you who told me last week who you'd like to work with, I've set you up already. So hopefully everybody's here. And if not, then while you're doing task one, I will organise for other people to be set up to work together. And what you need to do for that, I think, so I've set a task that you can see where the questions are, and then I've given you a document, like a Word document, a Google document that both of you, whoever is collaborating, can work on together. I believe it will tell you who's done which bits, so when you come to hand it in, I'll be able to see who's done which bits. And of course, if you disagree about a question, you can put both things down. You can say, Gideon thinks the answer is X because such and such. Scott disagrees, he thinks the answer is Y. And then we get those sort of conversations going, because those are some of the really good ways that we learn, by having those sorts of conversations. If you have a little look as well down on the stream, so those conversations can be had on the documents in Classroom, but they can also be had on the stream. So I sent a little teaser yesterday, which both Oscar and Evie have had a go at answering, and I've asked another little question as a supplementary from that. So have a look at those, and please do, if there is a question on any of the tasks that we're setting, or indeed any of the little lessons, or Oak Academy, or Bite Size, or any of those things that you not sure how to do, and you've gone back a couple of times and you're still not sure, please do post it on the stream, and then somebody will hopefully come back and give you. It might be me, or it might be somebody else in the class. Will come back and give you an answer. So that might be as well if you've been having a go at My Maths, and I can see that lots of you have. If you've done done the homework, didn't get a very good mark on it, gone back, check the lesson, gone back and have another go, and it's still not quite there. Don't be shy. Please do put the exact question that there is in there. Can somebody help me with this? And then if you, as a student, can go and give the explanation, that would be brilliant. And if not, then I will do that to try and mimic that those posters we've got on the wall in 6S. That how we attack a problem if we are stuck. So the real purpose of today is to try and get those maths conversations started, those collaborations back going. So pitch in, do the first one. Let me know who you'd like to collaborate with, otherwise I will just put you in groups. Oh, and while I remember, in Assembly tomorrow and in the newsletter today, we have sorted out some TT Rockstars Battle of the Bands. And so that is year group versus year group, so year 5 versus year 6. But also I have snuck in a Pythagoras versus Jermaine the Decider. So get yourself logged into TT Rockstars. If you've forgotten your password or login details, just drop me a note on the stream and I can get those sent out to you. So I know that I've already done that for some of my maths things for a couple of people, and we'll get ourselves going. Okay, good luck.